Oh my God, there's some big ones over here, boys.
Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy EAngler760. I'm at the local pond today and I got a mystery box challenge for us today. Some very nice treats in there. Most of these baits were bought off of Whatnot. Whatnot is a live auction app where you could buy clothes, trading cards. I get my fishing tackle from there, fishing lures, exclusive stuff. Shout out to Gone Outdoors FL. He hooked me up with a bunch of these baits for a steal, guys. Go check him out, guys. Gone Outdoors FL. Check him out on Instagram too. I'll have his Instagram handle right here. And let's see what we could get today, guys. How many of these baits can we knock out in the mystery box? I got jerk baits, I got crank baits, I got soft plastics, and we're gonna try to knock out as many of them as we can here at the local pond. Without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, guys, let's see what is in the box for us today. Look at this, guys. Nice JDM dice, huh? Very nice. Also throwing that on the drop trap today. A nice credge. Once again, thanks Gone Outdoors FL. Good looking out on that. A nice little spook junior for top water. Lovely, a good top water bite. What else we got in here? Oh yeah, a nice arc crankbait. I might have to throw this out first just to cover some water. We'll see. What else? I threw in some, okay, we got some terminal tackle. I threw in just a nice little spinner bait just in case. I threw in a frog from the personal stash and a little chopo and a chopo. All right, boys, this is what we're looking like for today. As far as lures go, we got some nice soft plastics, got a fluke. Where to go first? I really want to try these JDM. Very nice. Let's give these a shot. I want to see what the hype's about. I already got a drop shot rigged up, so this is perfect. I'm gonna throw this on and I'll see you out on the water. Alrighty, boys, there we are. Got that nice and rigged up. Pretty different. I don't think any of these fish have seen this profile. We are rolling the dice today, boys. See if we can get a nice big in the bite. Water's a little stained. See how that looks in the water. Okay. Interesting, interesting. Let's get another cast in there. Let's go this way. I'm just glad we're out of that 100-degree weather, boys. That 100-degree weather is crucial. I think this is the best time to go fishing. Oh, we're getting nibbled here. We got one, boys, on the dice. We got one on the dice. Oh, little guy, come on up, bud. Nice. Knew there was one in there. Dinky, but nonetheless, that's one for the dice. Okay, boys. Not bad, and I mean, dice did pretty good. It's not really too beat up. All right, boys, next up is this crankbait by Arc. Let's check it out. See what we can get. Shouldn't be too hard to get here. Nice chartreuse colorway. Square bill. And we're good to go. Let's get it. Ready, boys, here we go. There's gotta be one in this. A little grass, dead grass patch. All right. I feel like throwing this dice bait again, boys. I'm gonna throw this real quick. Oh. Got him easily. Yeah, this dice bait is a ticket today, boys. We just sight fished that one with the trick dice, boys. And I'm starting to think if we can see a bigger one, we just throw the trick dice at him and I guarantee he's gonna eat it. So I'm just gonna do a quick little lap, see if we could find a nice big one close to the shore, and we'll try to cast at him. See if we can land him. Little guys, where's the big one? Looks good for a nice topwater bite. I might have to throw that frog that we brought. There's two of them in there, but I'm scared. Don't want to lose this rig. Ooh, that was right on him. I think I spooked him though. I found their little lair, guys. Just got to get the perfect cast. Okay, that's good. That's a good cast there. Might be a little tricky to land them. I got a bite. Yeah, we got one. It's a good one. It's a good one, boys. Yes. Bring them on up. Let's go. Ah. Easy, 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 easy. Easy, good. Easy. Yes. Let's go, boys. Nice one. Very nice. Let's go see how much he weighs. All right, let's see what we got. $205. Nice. Nice little 2-pounder. Let's get one last look at him. Very nice. Beautiful. I got 2 left of the trick dice. I'm gonna put them away. As you can see, they do catch different size of fish. Got these on Whatnot. Once again, guys, tap in over there and get your lures, soft plastics, everything you need on there. All right, let's throw the frog a little bit, and I have that chatterbait tied up too. So let's get it. We got one, boys. On the froggy. Bring him in. Bring him in. Look at this little guy, man. There we go, boys. On the Guggen frog. Tiny guy. Check that off the list. See ya, bud. God, I just threw out the frog again, boys, and we got another one. We got a jumper. Oh, we might be screwed. No, I still got him. I still got him. It's a good one. Better one. Better one, boys. Look at that. Very nice. Let's go, boys. Back-to-back cast. Let's get a weight on him. I think he's a 1. There we go. Zeroed out. Yeah, it's a 146. Nice 146 on the frog. Back-to-back cast, boys. I barely stopped recording. Let's go. See you, bud. Thanks for the bite. Nice back-to-back topwater bites. Guggen frog, mini popping frog. Very nice. Cut this guy off, and I think we're moving on to some flukes. We're gonna go weightless on these Texas rig, no weight, straight hook. This shouldn't be too hard. These are year-round hitters right here, guys. I'm gonna rig this up and I'll be back. Okay. We got a little splash right here. Hold on, boys. Hold on, boys. Is that a hungry little bass? Yes, it is. Let's go, boys. The fluky, I heard him splash on something, so I knew he would bite. Let's go, little guy. Get you back in there. There we go. All right, guys, the super fluke is out of the way. What are we going with next? What do we got? Let's see. We got craws, worms, smooch minnows. Kind of want to get this worm done. What else we got? We got topwater. We got a jerk bait. Okay. Let's go with the Crush City pig stick. I'll rig this guy up real quick, boys. Give me a sec. Good old pig stick by Crush City. First time using these. Pretty much like a Senko, guys. Just trying to pitch it into these dark little crevices here. Some baby bluegill in here. Oh, something's following. Oh, you got scared of it. We got one on the pig stick, boys. Oh yeah, there we go. Come on up, bud. Nice. On the pig stick, boys. Nice little pounder. I'd give him like a pound. Throw him back in there. That didn't take long. All right, boys, up next, the Super Spook Junior by Head-On. Or Head-On, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but let's get him tied on. This mystery box is pretty good. We're doing pretty good on the mystery box challenge so far. That frog bite was pretty sick though. Back-to-back cast. I couldn't get that second one on film. I don't know if I did with that blow up, but we got that first one on the blow up, so that's good. There we go. We have not been working on the crankbait. We just gave up on it for now. Oh, dude, I could cast this thing damn near across the pond, boys. Oh, he bopped it. He literally bopped it up in the air. He bopped it up, boys. Alrighty, boys, the Spook Junior just went flying. I'm waiting for it to come back to shore. Moving on to the Kraken Cross by Guggen, boys. Nice and rigged up. Oh yeah, that looks good. Gonna fish these toolies a little bit. Just throw this little Guggen craw in there, this Kraken craw. See if anyone's home here. A little muddier water here. Not as clear as the other side. And I'm already getting bit. Oh, what? What? All right, guys, going in with the spook. I think I have time for one more fish. Hopefully it's a nice topwater one. All right. Love it when this happens right here. Oh, little guy just bopped him. Too small to get on. Oh, we got one. Do you wrap me up on this weed? I saw him chasing it. That guy was quick, man. Nice little mystery box challenge. Quite the challenge it was for us today, guys. We couldn't get anything on the crankbait. Too shallow, too much grass. Jerkbait, same thing. We did get some on the Crush City soft plastics. We got some on the dice. That was pretty fun. We got a nice 2-pounder on that. And yeah, guys, I mean, nice topwater frog hit too. We got thumped on the Spook Junior, which is pretty weird, but kind of cool at the same time. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Shout out to Gone Outdoors FL one more time. You guys check them out on Whatnot, and I'll see you guys on the next video.